If I recall correctly, when I was in college, you try to make some money, and at the same time, you are trying to do some studies here.
How did you come to start the forex trading? Was it your own idea, or it was an idea to somebody else? So just walk us through how.
A learning curve. So going forward, I started making good decisions and also being patient with the market, because the earlier life and this life, definitely it's a game changer, and you should all be trading actually. So,
welcome to another podcast, guys. Thank you very much. I'd like to thank you for all your subscription, and for those people who have subscribed, I really want to thank you from the bottom of my heart, because what you've done, what you keep doing is an amazing. So this is another podcast, another episode. So we have our guest of today. So and I know you're literally very excited to hear from him what he has for us. Whoever sits next to me, you know what he's going to share with us, his experience into forex trading. So I think one of you who is watching right now, you can change your life. You can increase something, or you can add up something on your trading journey, on your trading career, because this is gonna be an amazing. So let us hear from him. My guest of today, you're gonna be starting introducing yourself to the viewers who have seen you the very first time. So there you go.
hi everyone. My name is Denis. I come from Kenya, and I've been doing forex trading for like 7 years now. Yeah, I didn't start off well, but over the time I've been learning through mistakes here and there, and also understanding why I got it wrong, and try to make it right. And today I'm happy to share my journey with you guys, so that you can also take that next step, or I take you to the next level to good trading. So be with us on this, and make sure you subscribe, and also press the notification button for more contents from us.
Yeah, that was the best and beautiful introduction. So we have Kenyan in the house. So I've been doing the interview with the different people, Ethiopians, and we'll bring more people to the podcast. So Mr. Denis, guys, one thing I want to tell you, never mind about this sweating because of Dubai weather. Most of you guys, you really know that it's about 51 degrees Celsius. So just never mind about that, because the weather is it's always like that, because there's a sacrifice for everything. But we sacrificed this one because we wanted you guys to really learn something and to gain some skills. So Mr. Denis, can you walk us through how was difficult your journey? How did you come to start the forex trading? Was it your own idea, or it was an idea to somebody else? So just walk us through how your journey started.
I started my journey, if I recall correctly, when I was in college. You try to make some money, and at the same time you are trying to do some studies here and there. So from a few adverts here and there, I tried to see was this actually, and at that time also Bitcoin was being introduced, the digital currency. So at that time I got into interest, and I tried a few brokers here and there to explore more about this forex trading. So as earlier I said, I didn't start off well. So definitely I lost a few accounts here and there, but it was a learning curve. So going forward, I started making good decisions and also being patient with the market, because one of the mistakes is not being patient. Yeah. And also greed. If you are greedy, this market will just it's not just for you.
According to your experience and according what you shared with the viewers, there is a life you had before forex trading, and there is a life you have right now with forex trading. So can you compare and comparison that life when you were a trader and that life when you are not a trader? So how is that life? Just compare and comparison.
If I compare the two lives, I like this better. It got me this far. To be in Dubai is not just like I was sponsored by anyone or anything. Just through forex, I made a few trades here and there, and from that I got money. So I paid for my visa, I paid for my fleet and everything, and also currently it's also supporting me in paying my day-to-day upkeep. So I can't really compare at all with the earlier life and this life. Definitely it's a game changer, and you should all be trading actually. So it's very interesting.
Yeah, that was interesting because according to what I shared, it's a super amazing. For me, on my side, I don't think so there is any other life without trading, because when you trade, you become addicted to forex trading. So, and if someone would come and convince you for another business, I think the first option will become as a forex trading. So you through your experience, Mr. Denis, there are some challenges that you faced. So there are some people who are really struggling, like nowadays, or who are watching us right now, or they are struggling to scale it up with their trading journey. So what was your challenge that you faced in forex trading, and how did you overcome from those challenges?
The first challenge, I would say, it's choosing the best broker who will provide you with the services that are convenient to you. So identifying that broker, that one broker that will be there and will support you and will provide services tailored to your trading, it will be much better and encouraging for you. And the second challenge is knowing the lot size. Yeah, according to your account balance, you need to understand which lot size you need to use, so that you don't blow up the account. So you have to get the right lot size to make it. You can be right, but if you use the wrong lot size, you won't make it on that. The second challenge is the market news. Earlier I was not into so much how the market changes with the news, how the market becomes volatile. But with time, after losing a couple of accounts through the market news, like NFP, like CPIs, all that, I came to learn how to use those news better for my trades, and so on and so forth. There are so many challenges I overcome. I can't explain them all here, but in due course, while still watching us, I will keep on providing you all those challenges that I came and how to overcome them. But the main one, just know the lot size to use, and also know when to get out of the market. Don't be greedy, you will never get enough. So just know when to get out of the market.
Yeah, that was the good advice that you can give somebody. Mr. Denis, I still have more questions to ask you, because I know this journey, it has been good for you and it has been bad for you, but some people, they would like to know which strategy that you use to scale it up in the market and to keep your consistency, because it's not really very easy for somebody to scale it up from the easy part to the hard way, because it's always the hard way to scale it up. So would you walk out through your hard time, or your strategies that you use to keep making the profit consistently?
Yeah, on the strategy, I always use the market structure. So I trade what I see. If the market is making higher highs, definitely I will also be looking at buying. If it's making lower low, I'll be looking at selling. But you have to do better analysis for you to understand which entry point to take, you so that you don't get into the market too late, or maybe find that your entry has not been triggered, so and you end up losing on the market. Also, you have to watch out for the risk reward ratio. If you get wrong risk reward ratio, you might end up going or maybe going back instead of moving forward. You need to look at mostly 1 to 2, above 1 to 2 ratio, 1 to 2. So often I go with 1 to 3, because I risk like 1 and I get risk 1% and get 3%. That's great. It's progress. That's the progress we need. Yeah.
Okay, that's an amazing. So Denis, has many people saying that or many forex traders, they would recommend support and resistance. Does it really work in the forex trading according to your experience? And I think this is not a new thing in your ears to hear. Many people, they say that, and even yourself, you've been told yourself this one. So does it really work, support and resistance?
For me, I don't think it works so much. However, it's good that you understand that in support and resistance, there are some activities that took place there. It's good referential point. But if the market, like I said, if the market is making lower low or high high, you have to just obey the market structure and work with it. Yeah.
So, Denis, I want to ask you another thing. People, they are talking about the forex trading, and people, they are talking about capital. They say that in forex trading it requires to have the capital, to have some money to literally to invest in. But that said that you don't have that money to invest in. So how would you go about it with the forex trading? So does it require a big capital, or that is something you can really recommend some people?
So if I can explain on that, we already have like prop firms. You do your research well with the prop firm and select the most appropriate one with good services, and then you can start out low and end up scaling up. You can just check them out, whichever you choose, but make sure it's meeting your service criteria. So prop fund came up, and it's helping a lot in terms of capital. If you don't have capital, you don't need to have, just manage the funded accounts. It will be much easier for you to start off. At least you won't be losing your money, even if you put your efforts there. Only maybe you can waste, maybe you can say you have wasted time. Time is equals money anyway. So the funded accounts took care of that. Just find out the best prop firm to use. If you need help,
yeah, that is amazing. So he said that it doesn't require you big capital as long as you have the skill sets. So you need to use prop firms, because there is a prop firm space, but it's very hard to know which one is trusted one. So I'll leave you the link in the description, so you can go about with that prop firm. It's more trusted, and that's the one that I can recommend. They're out there, but they'll not be able to release the people's payouts. So Mr. Denis, another quick question that I have for you. Through your experience, through your hard time, through your enjoyment time, people, they used to say that forex is a freedom. it can't be treated like other businesses, because you're free to do whatever you want. You are free to wake up anytime that you want. You don't have anybody to call you up. Dennis, you know what? You have to wake up, or you have to present yourself in the office at this time. So, is it true forex trading is a freedom to do whatever you want?
Yes, that's very true. For one, no one will be bugging you. Oh, you have not done this. You have not achieved this. You have not sent this report. It's up to you. How you want trade it, you just trade it the way you want, with the way it works for you. Whatever strategy you think works for you, and it's actually working for you, that's the great one. Just take that. You can trade any time you want. If you wake up at 10, if you wake up at midnight, even actually you see the crypto market is 24/7. At least maybe for forex, you can say maybe after Friday no activity, but also on Saturday, Sunday you can consider the crypto market. So for me, I can say even if you are not trading, I can't consider it as doing nothing, because in forex, in trading, doing nothing is doing something. You could have done something and lost, maybe. You never know. So doing nothing is doing something. Yeah, and it's it provides you any freedom, financial freedom, movement freedom. You can trade from anywhere. You don't have to be like, now I'm in Dubai, I'm trading from Dubai. And my broker is out there he doesn't even know where I am, but I'm still generating money. Yeah, take the freedom.
Yes. I like when traders, they say that trading is it's a freedom. I literally love it, because I just remember 7 years ago when I started, it was really hard quitting from software development and joining the forex trading. It was really super crazy, because I don't have the time to discover some errors in the codes. I don't have anybody to tell me that, hey, you haven't completed the project. I have given the project. What is the updates? What is the report? So when I hear somebody saying that, I feel it. So maybe one of you could be watching us and you wondering, how did I do that? How can I do this? But you still have more chances to do this. So as long as you put in your hard work, as long as you put in your heart, as long as you're committed to this. So Mr. Denis, one thing, there are some viewers out there who are new to trading, who are still wondering, is this forex trading, is it legit or it's a scam? Because mostly people, they say is that things up on lines, they might be considered as a scam. So just give us some brief how can you convince that person who is watching right now, trading, is it a real business someone could invest in?
It's not a good business, it's a great business. It's the best business out there in the market. So if you're not trading, if you have all those doubts, I was there before. The only challenge we'll have is identifying the correct broker. That broker will scam you if you are not using the correct broker. But anything else, the market is a free market. There is the freedom and everything. So ideally, this is the best business you can run. You don't have to pay, I don't know, the revenue authorities have not taken their tax. It's a free market. You wanna withdraw in bitcoins, you do that. No one will monitor. It's very hard to monitor you in all your movements and everything when you are doing this trade. Also, you will you see, like an hustler, you can never say that this is the much I have. Today I'm having 10,000. Tomorrow I'm having 20,000, and so on and so forth. So even if you ask me how much I have now, I cannot tell you exactly how much, because I know tomorrow will be better than today, and I don't know how much I'll be looking at tomorrow. But the best thing is to keep on moving on. You keep on making more, even if it's a 1%, 2%, 3% growth over the year, it will roll up to a great percentage that is much more, you will be much more better position than before. Any improvement is a great improvement. That's all I can say. Don't hesitate. This is the best place to be. Take the market as it is right now. It's a very great time to do it, especially now that we are looking at the US elections. So this is the best time to do your analysis well and make sure you are in the best side of the market. Just don't hesitate. This is the best place you can ever be. It can take you time, but you will eventually get there.
So, Mr. Denis, how old are you now?
At the moment, I'm around 35.
So,
yeah.
As you are around 35 and there is some ages or there is some extent you wish you would have known forex trading, because on the age of 35 you've tried many businesses and all the businesses they wouldn't make you successful, but you wish at this age I could have started forex trading.
Yeah, of course, I've tried a few businesses here and there. I think I wasted a few times, a few of my time. Like I had earlier started off a music record, and I didn't find a good producer, and it was crazy. I have to tell someone what to do, when to do, how comes this has happened like this, and how comes we lost this. It's so much. I also tried out in the gym, but you see, not finding someone good to keep the gym running, it will just dry out. So for the forex market, no one. I'm not managing anyone. I'm just managing my account. And that's the best thing in my life. That's the whatever I'm having now, I know in the next 3-4 years I'm looking down, I will be somewhere much far than where I am now. I will never be the same. I was in Kenya, made a few trades here and there. I made it out to Dubai. I'm paying rent. I never slept and imagined I will pay rent this much. But I'm paying it and affording it, and I'm not feeling like anything because one, it's effortless, and anyway, it's effortless. So once you know the trick, you just keep on increasing your capital and making more profit. And I would like to encourage everyone, just come on to this market. You will never get enough.
Dennis, according to your experience, who taught you how to trade?
I'm looking at one of the teachers right now. Yeah? But before I found him, actually he has taken me through how to trade gold, and he's the best. I've never met someone like this in gold. And also earlier on I tried online, you have to start somewhere, indicators or all those bullshit, and then later on you find out that there's something more in the market than just learning those. So if you want to take this step and you are starting now, it's the best time to start off with my teacher here, Peter. Yeah. So it never get it wrong.
So it means that you are self-taught.
Up to some point. Not everything. Everything I have to learn from Peter. One of the things I have learned from Peter, and some other things from my experience. And other things, of course, the books and everything, but basically it all comes down to just one thing: risk management and using the best strategy. That one you will check out with Peter. He will guide you through. He has a lot of details on that. He will take you step to step until you are a professional like me. So, and like him also, I'm also. You will never stop learning. Every day, every journey, it's a learning step. Yeah.
So, Dennis, what is your last message to the viewers?
My last message is you keep on viewing this. We will be doing more content on this, on how to trade. We will make sure that you get where we are as we also continue to getting where we want to be. So this market is just open for anyone. It's giving you the freedom that anyone needs. And also for Gen Zs out there in Kenya, I just want to tell you, man, you don't have to wait for those financial bills. Akianguka aanguke nayo. Kwanza amefanya ile kitu. He has put the cabinet you told him to do away with, he has just got them back. Occupy your status, occupy. Msiende, go to the head. Now if you are trading, actually you won't even it won't matter the financial bill, the what, you will be nowhere near the financial bill, because you're already living the life and the freedom you want. But Gen Z, keep it up.
Yeah, you got it right. You heard from Denis, and sponsoring himself from Kenya, moving to Dubai. It was not really by himself, it was because of forex trading. So for you are out there, you can get it through. You can be like him, you can be like me, like as he mentioned earlier, because this is the game that keeps someone to reach somewhere or to achieve your dreams, instead of achieving it like in 1 year. I mean, in 10 years you can achieve it in 1 year. So keep up, keep on. We're gonna be bringing you more contents. We're gonna be bringing you more people, more guests, so they can share with you some of their own experiences. Then you can learn from that one. Guys, thank you for watching. I literally love you, and I really love your support, that you keep supporting me. God bless you for everything. See you next time. Have a wonderful time and happy trading journey. Try not to make losses. Just put your risk management, and you're gonna be making it right. See you. Ciao ciao.